Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today is going to be a wall attack, and you can see that this base is a Town Hall 14. So it's the jungle team, right? So if you look around, you can see that most of the buildings are of this color scheme, the blue color one, right? So which means including this Inferno. So this is also a Town Hall 13. Okay, but other than that, the key defenses are all 14. You can see that this is Town Hall 14. You can see the green color, Town Hall 14. The Infernos are, some of the Infernos are 14. This is 14 too, 14 or so. So you can see that this is a pretty strong base. Not max, but definitely like very respectable. It's all Town Hall 13 and with some of the key defenses as Town Hall 15. So this is a serious base, okay, basically. So in this approach, I'm going with the Archer Blimp again because I see I need to get some of the key things. So the Town Hall and the scatter shots, I think these are the most deadly stuff. I think the Eagle Artillery we can still endure it because we got the Healing Warden. So all the X-bows, all the scatter shots, and the Town Hall is the key. And you can see that it's such a short distance. If I put the Blimp here, this direction, this one, it's just going to fly a while and it will land. So I'm going to land somewhere here around this wall, and then from here you can basically shoot everything. You should get most of the things here. I do not want to go too near. If I go here, if I'm greedy and I go inside more, I might get hit by the poison and I'm going to get slowed, I'm going to get killed, and then the value is going to be a disaster. So based on what I get, I need to adjust and see how to carry on the attack. So some of the threats, assuming I get most of this over here, it's single Inferno and the air defenses, the single Inferno, the air defenses, and of course the Eagle will be the main threats here. Okay, so let's look at what I get from the Archer Blimp first. Okay, so I believe I start with the Archer Blimp. Let's do it a bit faster. Okay, so the Blimp goes in. You can see that is no problem, plenty of room. Okay, so I don't know whether you notice, but the invis is already pressed, and then I break the Blimp as usual. Okay, so immediately it goes down. So you can see that at this moment, you can see that the walls are being broken by the wall breakers. Okay, so the issue is some of this invis X-bow I can't shoot, but as I shoot the further one, they will along the way get hit. So I do the typical thing. I rage, I invis again, I clone. Okay, so initially I thought this was the archers who were running out. I panicked, but I didn't realize, okay, it's the goblins, so it's fine. Okay, so basically all the archers are still there, all clone. You can see that I don't know whether you can see, but they are somewhere behind the flag. Okay, so they're all good under the rage, under the invis, and let's see what they get. Okay, so all the X-bows are gone, the near X-bows are gone, and then I'm hoping for the scatter shot to go down and the Town Hall. I think these two are the main things, so I keep invising until I get it. Okay, so I'm quite sure the scatter shot will go down. So at this point I'm like, okay, I doubt I'm going to get this. I don't think I'm going to get this because it's a bit too far already. So I'm not even looking here anymore. So at this point I'm trying to make a decision. Okay, how do I approach this and funnel it such that all the dragons will eventually clump up together? I'm still concerned about the air defense, so I'm going to put the Archer Queen here at the corner because I see the dragon coming out. I might as well put somewhere near and get the CC. Okay, so I'm already ignoring the archers and they're just going to die. I don't care anymore. Okay, so not bad, not too bad. They still got some stuff. Okay, so here we go. The Archer Queen goes down. Okay, so all these single defenses are not a problem. So I'm just waiting for the clan caster to die. I'm a bit concerned because it's two big dragons, and so I chose to let the Archer Queen use the ability. I mean, I should have freeze, to be honest, but I didn't make the right decision here. So I let the ability goes off. Okay, so the CC goes down. So clearly the Queen is going here, 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 here. Okay, but I do not want the Queen to keep going because I'm going to put the dragons here and I want the dragons to go in. I'm going to ability through the single Inferno and the air defense, and then I'm going to try to freeze the last section here, because this is multi-inferno, I'm not so concerned. I'm more worried about the single. So I'm going to ability through this, and I don't want the dragons to spread. So I decided to put the archer, the barbarian king here at some point, so he will clear the entire section, clear all this out, basically clear this area out, and then the dragons will definitely go for here, 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 and go in one straight line all together. So you can see how this goes. Okay, so the archer queen is going. At this point I decided, okay, I'm going to put the archer, the barbarian king to clear the section here, so to help funnel the dragons. So I'm waiting for a while until the barbarian king kills more, because once I kill all this, the archer queen will go inside for these two, and archer queen is in range of these two. Okay, so now the dragons come in. You can see the dragons on top, everything spam. Okay, so the ability goes off for the king, and the king, you look at what the king clears. My goodness, the king just clears everything. Okay, so my focus now is here. I want to make sure the single inferno doesn't kill anything. Okay, so I freeze. Okay, so I'm taking care of the dragons. I freeze again. Then I decided, okay, no need to ability anyway. So okay, so I did it. You can see that the archer queen, as expected, went into the base, cleared all the expo, cleared all the scatter shots, and at this point is going to start shooting. So my focus now is here. Again, I see the air defense shooting my dragons. I don't care about the multi inferno, so I freeze the air defense, and of course along the way I freeze the multi too, and then in one freeze I got it down. And basically at this point the only last threat is this little cluster. So that's where I put the royal champ. Okay, the royal champ, I think at some point I'm going to put it at the corner. Where's the royal champ? Oh, it's already come down. Sorry, I put it quite a while ago. Okay, so you can see the royal champ is here, so she will settle the single inferno for sure. Okay, then with this it's done. Okay, so basically it's cleaned up at this point. So you can see that, let's look at how many dragons I've left. I think I didn't even lose a single dragon. So when you funnel it properly and the archer blimp gets good value, you literally can clear most races at Town Hall 14 even. Okay, so hope you learned something. Thank you and bye bye.